Heads up, we are tracking a severe Arctic outbreak and multiple chances for snow in the Midwest and Northeast from December 12th to 15th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. So far, December 2025 has been very cold in the eastern half of the U.S., and in many places, this is the coldest start to meteorological winter in over a decade. This is because we've had an intense and persistent blocking high in the North Pacific, specifically near the Aleutian Islands. This is known as the negative phase of the Western Pacific Oscillation. This forces the jet stream to dip way to the south, and as a result, polar air comes funneling in from the north and west. This has been directed toward the eastern U.S. pretty much nonstop since Thanksgiving. On Friday, December 12th, we will see another Arctic front descend from Canada into the Midwest and then Northeast, and this one will be the most intense one yet. On the morning of Saturday, December 13th, the National Weather Service expects temperatures to drop into the negative teens to even near minus 20 across parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Below zero temperatures are expected as far south as northern Iowa and single digits as far south as northern Illinois. On the morning of Sunday, December 14th, much of the upper Midwest will once again drop into the negative teens, if not negative 20s, and below zero temperatures will extend as far southeast as Indianapolis. However, we will see wind chills dip much lower as the cold temperatures are accompanied by a breeze. Wind chills across the Midwest will be between 25 and 40 degrees below zero, which is considered to be extremely dangerous as frostbite can occur within a few minutes. On the morning of Monday, December 15th, temperatures could once again fall below zero in parts of Illinois and Indiana. Meanwhile, in the Northeast, it won't be quite as extreme, but it will be our coldest temperature since February. Most areas will see lows dropping to the teens, but northern New England and upstate New York will see lows in the single digits. Okay, so it's going to get cold, we know that, but what about the snow? In addition to Arctic air, another big player on the field is an amplified Pacific jet along the US-Canada border, which is enhanced by La Nina. This means that we will continue to see a train of weak and fast-moving clipper systems that will bring snow to much of the Midwest and Northeast over the coming days. On Friday, December 12th, a general 2 to 4 inches is expected in a narrow zone that includes parts of Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. This includes places like Cedar Rapids, Peoria, Springfield, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and Louisville, among others. On Saturday, December 13th, the best chance for plowable snow is in the blue area, extending from central Illinois eastward to southwestern Pennsylvania and West Virginia. This may include places like Peoria, Springfield, Bloomington, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Dayton, Columbus, Pittsburgh, Morgantown, and Altoona, among others. And on Sunday, December 14th, there is a real possibility of accumulating snow reaching the I-95 big cities, but that is still up in the air depending on the track of the storm and whether or not it redevelops as a coastal storm. Stay warm, stay safe, and for more updates on winter weather, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.